which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several rules and offers are available for this hotel, along with various compliance and policies. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Be safe, be happy.